this video, we would like to illustrate why we need non-invasive wildlife endocrinology. Let's explain with an example. This is the giant panda. Giant panda is a real bear, but somehow, and a long time before we launched the vegetarian lifestyle, it decided to switch meat for bamboo. You may not know it, but the giant panda likes to be alone, and only one time a year the female will seek for a partner, sometimes fertile for only a couple of hours and maximum for a couple of days. So let's now see how they manage finding each other in the wild to mate at the right time. Bamboo forests, rocks, and streaming water are fixed elements of giant panda habitat. Giant pandas communicate amongst others with chemical signals. Female will pee into a down-running river, and like this her scent, indicating she will ovulate soon, spreads to lower territories. If the scent is being picked up by a male, this one will go to seek her, and if successful, they may mate. All nice and romantic, but how to know when to put them together at the right time in captivity? That's where we need endocrinology, and in this case, on urine samples. In the first place, it helps us defining the window of potential natural mating. It basically tells us when to open the doors between enclosures, and we use estrogens for that. Usually, the pandas will allow each other's proximity for a period of time corresponding to the peak estrogen values. Secondly, it is a crucial help in defining the time frame for artificial insemination. The time frame is shorter here, as it is important to await ovulation prior to putting the panda to sleep for procedures. Third application is pregnancy diagnosis, as giant pandas are challenging to undergo ultrasound. Here the focus will first be on progestogens, as it will tell us whether we are still in the few months lasting resting phase or whether we entered the exciting period of potential pregnancy after embryonic diapause. However, giant pandas mimic the progestogen profile of true pregnancy even in absence of conception, which is known as phantom or pseudo-pregnancy. That is why multiple researchers search for other markers to study. One successful is ceruloplasmin, which is an inflammatory marker. Another valuable one is PGFM. For this marker, we at IZW have the patent of the most commonly used prostaglandin antibody in wildlife endocrinology. And recently, estrogens were defined as discriminating biomarker, with IZW contributing to this publication. So in summary, we explained how we are able to pinpoint the period of fertility as well as to diagnose pregnancy in giant pandas by non-invasive wildlife monitoring, and as such contribute to the conservation of this species.